Who is Hyperion? Hyperion was a Titan god of all light. This shows through his Roman name being sun. Hyperion was the Titan of the light of heaven and the cosmic ordering of days and months. Hyperion was born as a Titan male. Gaia and Uranus were the parents of Hyperion. Gaia was Titan over Earth, having complete control over rocks and plants of the world. Uranus is known as the sky god and the first ruler. Hyperion's wife was Thea, the lady of the shining blue sky. Hyperion technically translates to watcher from above. Hyperion and his brother Kronos worked together to overthrow their father Uranus. Since Hyperion was in charge of the sun and moon cycles, we base our calendars on him.